Government operatives have busted a syndicate engaged in recycling and selling adulterated sugar and cooking oil. The full story from Alvin Baltazar.
The CIDG Anti-Trans National Crime Unit seized 3 truckloads of adulterated sugar and cooking oil, subject supposed to be for public consumption. From the looks of the said confiscated items, no one would dare to consume it, but those behind it can make it appear as a safe commodity. Chemicals are used for the spoiled oil and contaminated sugar before the syndicate could distribute it to various markets in different provinces.
Re-repack sila ng mga sugar. Kung makikita natin is medyo siya, madumi, nire-repack, dinideliver sa kung saang probinsya. At the same time, may mga recycled na oil, mantika, na binibili nila tapos nire-recycle, to make it clean na binibinta rin sa mga talipapa sa mga probinsya.
CIDG also confiscated the equipment used for the recycling of used cooking oil and sugar. The group behind the illegal operation has complete equipment up to the labeling of products, which the CIDG also confiscated. DASA explained that their target operation was actually an anti-human trafficking, but they got surprised upon discovering the adulterated items worth almost 9 million pesos.
So together with the FDA, the DULI, the SWD, na-rescue natin yung tatlong minor na ngayon nasa DSWD. With that, nakita din natin house na yun nga, nag-re-repack sila ng yung adulterated sugar.
For the People's Television, Alvin Baltazar.